Okay guys, I want you to place your first finger on the first fret on the 3rd string, and then I want you to take your second finger and put it on the 2nd fret 5th string, and then learning the guitar doesn't have to be difficult, and it doesn't have to be expensive. I can't believe we're doing this. The biggest discount in MyPOV guitar history, the MyPOV Guitar Beginner Course, is normally $297. We're slashing the prices, almost a 70% discount. You can get it now for $99 through January 7th. It's a 2024 year-end special. Learning from your point of view makes it go a lot faster. There's no guesswork, there's no mystery. Seeing chord diagrams or tablature and seeing where to place your fingers, how to strum, the rhythms to do, from this point of view, from the player's point of view, makes it so much easier to learn. This is a steal at $99, it really is. You get over 50 video lessons, a 48-page downloadable workbook. You can schedule a talk with me to help guide you through these things. It's a no-brainer. So for over 50 video lessons, a 48-page downloadable PDF book, and direct access to me, you get that all for $99, normally $297, okay? 70%, it's almost a 70% discount through January 7th. We're gonna extend that out. It's a 2024 year-end special. Learning the guitar does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be expensive. And with MyPOV Guitar, it's not. You got it? You got it?